Okay guys, so our point is still a whiles in the woods that direction, but I'm coming up this hill and I see what looks like a man-made shelter out of sticks and logs and stuff, and we're still on the same trail, mind you. So whoever built this is interesting. Like, just look at this. Obviously built by men, but crazy. Also looks like someone's old beer stand is out there, but this is nuts. So today, guys, we're headed down to a place down close to my house. It was an old Girl Scout camp, but then they turned it into like a community center. As you hear, there's some gunshots out that way right now. So, as a neighbor pointed out, he was like, "You think they killed it?" There's like 8 or 9 gunshots rang out just like a little bit ago. So I don't really know where they're shooting at or where, but we're about to go look for a Randonautica point. I can kind of show you the whereabouts of said point in about probably a minute or two. So yeah, and I think it was one of the first points that I ever mapped out here. I think it was abandoned, actually, was the point. But as you know, Randonautica brings Jacob and Emma outdoors to some crazy stuff. I'll link the channel in the description. For me, it's really just kind of been interesting. It's like, I don't really know what to expect with it because I've had some crazy things happen. But so it started to rain. This is my second time playing Randonautica where it's been raining, so definitely looking forward to that. So yeah, we're just trying to the point is back in the woods. I'll post a screenshot kind of the maps where the point is. Okay guys, a couple of anomalies. First up, there's a brick here. Definitely not natural. Down here you see some wood cut and some stones and another brick. Like I said, I don't really know what the point is taking us to, but it's in this general area. So I might go that way and cut back. Gunshots are getting closer, so we're gonna be super cautious. Although I don't necessarily think it's legal for them to be shooting. Oh, we got a golf ball. That's a cool find. It's gonna take it, but it's just a shell. It's an odd place for driving a shell to be. A little mound here. Oh, okay. This might be a fence down here. No, it's not a fence. It's just trees that look like a fence. Okay, so I might have to go back the other way. Let's see where Okay, so this is kind of interesting. We're right on top of the point. I think it was mysterious. As you can see, it looks like an animal might have been skinned right in this area. So, oh yeah, that's a deer. Those are deer bones. Oh my god, guys, that is a part of a deer. So, we're right. That's pretty mysterious. Okay, guys, so that kind of wraps up our Randonautica for the day. The point was mysterious, and I came back here, and there was pieces of like fur and stuff. Then I looked down at my feet, and there was like a hoof. Okay, so because I was curious, I threw in another point to make my journey a little bit longer. The other point is this way somewhere. So it was kind of like in the woods still. Hoping there's a creek that runs through here, but I kind of think it's dried up. So if I have to cross it to get there, I will. It's kind of close to that property with with a lot of those abandoned houses. So I'm gonna walk on the trail over there till I get to where it's safe to drop down into the woods, because I don't want to be shot at. So yeah, here we go, number 2. Okay guys, so our point is still a whiles in the woods that direction, but I'm coming up this hill and I see what looks like a man-made shelter out of sticks and logs and stuff, and we're still on the same trail, mind you. So whoever built this is interesting. Like, just look at this. Also looks like someone's old deer stand is out there, but this is nuts. What did Randonautica bring us to? And also, maybe this was my mysterious pin, my original one, but this is crazy. This has definitely been standing for a while. And then we got a little bit of another one over here. It's really well put together. Kind of like a deer stand. Got another one here. This is crazy. We got somebody's deer stand here, right behind that thing, whatever that thing is. We got another one, so there's 3 of them in this area, and I literally can't explain it to you. Like, I don't know why. Like, here's another one. It's like a teepee almost. They're like teepees, and I don't understand why. Okay guys, so our point should be down here where the yellow is. Just to be clear here, but this is a pretty nice path all the way down here to where said point is. So I'm really just confused anymore, because it's a tree, I think. I'm really just confused because, like, we go to the top of the hill, we find all the crazy stuff that was up there, those little makeshift wigwam things, and then we come down here, and there's just a straight path all the way down to this point, and just like, I don't even know. Like, I can't explain this. Good news is they did stop shooting finally. A friend of mine just let me know that it's rifle season. He was like, please make sure you wear orange on your head and on your pack. I was like, oh, lucky for me, I'm in all black today. So, yeah, great day, guys. Okay, so something caught my eye because I was looking around. I couldn't really find out what was mysterious about back here, other than the clear path that led over here. And right in front of my face, there's a shotgun shell. So that's mysterious. Cool. Lots of thumbnails today, guys. So hope you enjoy the content today. I don't really, just kind of wrap up the things that we found. The first pin, mysterious, was in the woods, and it was all those deer parts. Second pin was also mysterious, and it was, I think it's the shotgun shell, technically, or it was that little kind of thing that trail led to, that I don't really know why. There was just that random trail back here. And then the third interesting thing that we found was those weird, I don't want to say buildings, because they weren't buildings. They were like, they were like wigwams. So yeah, I'm gonna hike back to my car, or back to my house, and then, so, safe to say, I don't know what the F this is. I don't know why it's out here. I don't know who built them, but they have been out here for a while. I don't know if that's like a structure, like an old house or something. It's definitely man-made, because trees don't fall in a line like that. But what is most crazy and creepy is that there are 3 of them. You know, this one obviously most big than the other ones, but that's super weird.